Welcome to the world of outdoor fun with our single Unit ROTO MAPS. Designed for kids to unleash their imagination and energy, this playground equipment features vibrant attractions like the Royal Spiral Slide in green, the Royal Double Slide in sunny yellow, and the exciting Jumble Climber in dynamic yellow and red. Challenge friends to a game of X and Zero or swing into laughter on our two-seater swing, topped with a cozy Snell for added comfort. Get ready for endless adventures and smiles in the sun.